What's up, boys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Raspy. If you're new here, I scale clothing brands with paid Facebook ads. I need to change the color of my room. Adjust this. What light do we want? Boom. Alright, what's up, boys? Welcome back to another video. My name's Raspy. If you're new here, I scale clothing brands with paid ads and do a whole bunch of other shit, but we're talking about scaling clothing brands with paid ads, freelance brand scaling, whatever you want to call it. Today I'm going to tell you why you're struggling to get clients in 2025. So I personally have been doing this for about a year and some change, maybe closer to 2 years. I really don't know at this point. But I recently started doing a Discord and kind of taking on more of the mentorship aspect, but like doing it completely for free. I love all you guys in there. I have the coolest Discord community built out ever. But yeah, the whole mentorship side of things is new to me, and you guys have a lot of common traits where you guys all fuck up. They're pretty easily fixable, and with like some minor tweaks, you should be able to get some clients. I don't see why you wouldn't be able to. If you're not a member of the Discord already, I would join that right now. It's free for another like 3 or 4 days. After that, on March 1st, I'm just moving to a $10 monthly payment structure. It's just to keep the weirdos out. I'm doing a bunch of giveaways, yada, yada, yada. I don't want to sell you on it. If you want to learn and you're serious about learning, click the first link in the description. But I don't want to sit here and sell you on the benefits of it. Go find the benefits out for yourself and decide if it works for you, if it kind of fits into your budget, and then decide if you want to be a part of the community. I am not a fucking course seller, and I do not make my money from that. I make all my money from exactly what we're talking about and exactly what I teach you guys. So the first common problem I see amongst every single one of y'all is you guys do way too much. Y'all do absolutely everything except for outreach to clients. Y'all be building agency websites, type forms, calendars, logos, business cards, other websites, so much unnecessary shit. Making a brand new Instagram account. Use your personal Instagram. These systems do not bring in leads the way you guys think they do, and if anything, they kind of shy away the potential leads that you do have because they have to jump through all these hoops to jump on the phone with you, and they could have already got Billy's number next door and already closed the deal. It's the same kind of thing as your clients' websites. You want it to be as easy for someone to purchase the product as possible. You don't want them to have to jump through a bunch of hoops. For these potential clients, you don't want them to have to jump through a bunch of hoops. You want them to just be able to work with you with ease. You're taking work off their plate. They're giving you money to take work off their plate. Your goal is to be as easy to work with as possible. That's what's gonna take you so much further than anything else. Just be easy to work with, be a good person. You'll make people happy. People will be happy with you. The next problem almost every single one of you guys have is your cold outreach does not stick out at all. I'm gonna pop 3 messages up on the screen right now. 1, 2, 3. These are all messages from the Discord. I love every single one of you guys that, you know, had the courage to send these in the chats. That way we could critique them, but these are all fucking terrible. If your message looks like any of these, it's awful. Rework it, short, simple, personal. You need to stand out a little bit. What works for Brez isn't gonna work for you. What works for me isn't gonna work for you. What works for Jimmy down the road isn't gonna work for you. Find your own sauce and just be different. You don't wanna send the same DM as everyone else because they're not gonna respond to it. You look like a bot. The next problem pretty much all you guys have is your personal brand is absolute dog shit. I cannot tell who you are by looking at your profile. And I don't mean that you need to be famous, you need to have a bunch of followers, you need to go buy all these followers on an account, and you need to post 3 times a day and do this to grow your account. I don't mean any of that. I just mean when I go on your Instagram account, I should be able to tell what you're like. I should be able to tell what you're into, get like a general idea of the person that I'm gonna be speaking to before I even open your DM. When I click on your account and it's some agency logo and it says blah 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 marketing, you look like everyone else. It doesn't stick out, it doesn't look professional. If anything, it looks extremely corny. I would avoid doing that at all costs. Be a normal dude, put your face out there, take some cool fit pics. If you're doing clothing, definitely take some fit pics. You can't be fucking ugly and do cool shit, you know? Another problem y'all have is you guys take advice from absolutely anybody. Watch who you take advice from. And that includes watch what advice you take from me, because I am not in any sort of position that you guys want to be in. This is not the end goal by any means. If this is your end goal, that's fucking sad. I'm doing okay, but like, that's really sad. I've got way bigger aspirations than this, so take my advice with a grain of salt. I have to audit the Discord multiple times a day to make sure no one's spreading misinformation, answering questions wrong, giving bad advice. So please just watch who y'all take advice from, because I can't save everybody. I'm sorry. Second to last one, and honestly, possibly the biggest, is your confidence. When your voice quivers on these calls, you break down, you take long to answer these questions, you're using a lot of you guys don't have to step into these calls being some sort of Albert Einstein, but at least have some general knowledge on what you're speaking on. Talk to some people, get some advice of, you know, common objections, common things to, you know, look out for. Even if you're not the most knowledgeable person when it comes to the ads manager, numbers, or whatever it is, just bullshit. That's all it is. All right, my last point for you boys, which is also extremely important, is save your money. You guys need to understand where you lie in the aspect of a paid community or mentorship or course or whatever it is. The last thing you guys need to be doing is burning thousands of dollars on some course or community that you don't even know if that's what you want to do with your life. You just invested rent and a half into some sort of community, but save y'all's money, please. Just keep in mind, lifestyle content brings in mentees, and then results brings in clients. So figure out where you want to land on that. If you want to push the course, push the course. If you want to push the clients, push the clients. I personally push for clients, you can tell. But with that being said, the Discord is going to be $10 starting on March 1st. I'm officially going full fucking guru on you boys. Don't fuck with me. I highly suggest joining though. We've got positive reviews out the ass. I mean, everyone's really happy. A bunch of case studies, testimonials, whatever you want, whatever is going to push you over the edge to spend $10 on a community. I mean, it's there for you. First link in the description. Best community you could join. I'm doing a giveaway every month. So there's a DJI Osmo Pocket 3 giveaway for March. I don't know when you're watching this video, so probably a different giveaway going on right now, or the Osmo Pocket, I don't know. Join up. I'm only going to be giving away things that are on par with kind of like what we do. So like the camera, maybe I'll give away a Mac sometime soon. Maybe I'll give away a list of leads, I don't know. But it's gonna be the same thing as before. All the daily lab sessions where I'm going in there, I'm answering all your guys' questions, assessing all your ad accounts, hanging out, whatever it is. But then I'm also gonna be bringing on at least one special guest every month to speak to you guys. I'm gonna be paying them out of pocket, well, out of the Discord's pocket. That's why we're going paid, so that way we can do giveaways, do cool webinars. Shit, I wanna do it too. Like, I'm trying to like learn as well. So we're gonna pay for good guests. I love you guys. Thank you so much. Discord's first link in the description. Follow the Instagram, it's right here. Yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Also, let me know if you want me to vlog. Subscribe too, fucker. Bye, bitch.